everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back at Kmart, and this time I'm going to be putting together the Anko storage linen basket, or the dual basket for laundry. That should be the right thing. Anyway, we'll figure out what the name is, but there's a few other great things here at Kmart as well that I wanted to go through and just show you, so let's check it out. First up is these really cool cedar rings, especially right now in Sydney, Australia. We've got El Nino happening with the weather, so there's a lot of mustiness, mold, so these will be fantastic to put on top of your coat hangers to just reduce insect moth damage and also that mustiness that you might get in the wardrobe. So what I found are these 6 Anko dryer wool balls. I absolutely swear by these. I find these to be the best, because to me they just sort of fluff up all the clothing, and then they decrease the drying time as well, and it'll actually just reduce some of the wrinkles that you have, and no need for ironing. And if you're like me, I absolutely hate ironing, so these are, as usual, no price tag. $10 for the wool dryer balls. Oh, machine talks to you now. So what's really cool are these soak dispensers where you can fill up with like nappy sand type powder, sort of whitening powder. I've got the older version, as you'll see. My older version came in the soak, and it also came in the larger sort of detergent. These new ones are a little bit harder, I find, to get off. Probably just need 2 hands for that. But what you could do, if you're really into, they've got these new Anko plastic containers, so a smaller version for those who are strapped on space, and you've also got the larger version of this. Sorry about that, guys. Cool thing is this 4-pack space-saving hanger, so you can hang multiple shirts in more space in your wardrobe. So if you're like me at the moment, you're tight for space, this would be a great saver to put in. I don't know how much the price is, so we'll go check that out. If you want to elevate and make them a little bit more fancier, they've got these bamboo expander drawer dividers. So these look like they actually last a lot longer too, so I might just grab one just to see. Okay, so these are the expandable bamboo dividers in the drawers. So let's check how they are. Okay, so we've got a felt type stop on the end of each one, and it retracts to the size of your drawer, and they're quite wide enough. I'm going to stack 2 of them like that in my drawers because I've got quite deep drawers. So we'll see how we go. They've also got 2-pack accessory hook. So that's for like chuck things in your wardrobe that you just want to quickly hang up. You don't want to take extra space. So let's get one of them. Oh, there's a price. Look at that, $6.50. Found the space-saving hack. $6 on this one. I do want to get one of these for my son's bedroom, something quite neutral. I'll check it out. The quality seems quite good because it's pure cotton, and they've also got the European pillowcases. No idea how much they are, so we'll scan those. While I'm at it, I might as well get a candle. This one looks really cool. Bergamot and vanilla. Let's try one of them. $13, $9. Okay, so this is what I was talking about before. This is the light and dark sorting hamper. I wanted something a little bit more sturdy to use, and I bought one earlier this year, so I'm going to show you the before and after, and I'll put it together. It's fairly simple, but from memory it was $25, so it's a really good, it's lasted more than 9 months, which has been quite amazing for a laundry hamper that gets abused quite a bit from the family.